What is 3 plus 3?
6.
Good.
In 2018, our voters approved a bond for Round Rock ISD, which included technology funds to fund interactive flat panels for classrooms throughout the district. The interactive flat panels really made a difference in our elementary schools. We began referring to them around here as a game changer. And so we expedited the process of installing them in both our middle schools, and in March we'll install them in our high schools.
I'm going to give you the link on the chat. Amazing. I love the interaction. Honestly, I feel like it's brought some normalcy to the classroom. I feel like with it, the impact has been wonderful because, again, I get to be out of my desk. I get to be walking around with the students and kind of just bringing it so that they can feel that it's just a normal school day.
Okay, now you're going to do soldier boy. Okay, get that quad really stretched out.
I feel like now they are able to also coexist with our virtual kids.
So some kids that wouldn't turn on the cameras now, there's on the meet, it gets to show us everyone, and we get to see other kids too, and they get to see us. So it just helps out being able to interact with everyone.
Now it kind of connects like, hey, we're in this together, whether we're at home or on campus. But for us as a teacher here, especially for PE, it's made a big difference in just having that flow, not being stuck to a desk.
I really enjoy the impact in terms of our ability to annotate what's on the screen, because we can write that information up there for students and they're able to see it still after we finish talking about it. The last territory we're going to look at is our Treaty of Paris.
I think it just creates a more natural atmosphere. It gets me out and able to move around better to the kids in the room and just in front of the board again. It just feels more natural. And when the teacher feels more natural, then it probably rubs off on the kids, where it just feels like a more natural environment. We're back to an exponential problem here with a power of exponents.